Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Good morning, Charlie. Are you hungry?
Always. What are we cooking today?
Let's make something simple. Eggs, toast, and milk.
Sounds easy.
First, boil the eggs.
Boil, like in hot water?
Exactly. Put them in the pot carefully.
Okay. 10 minutes, right?
Yes, you remembered.
While the eggs cook, I'll toast the bread.
Great. Toast the bread and don't burn it.
I love that smell.
Me too. It smells like morning.
Now pour the milk.
Slowly, please. No mess today.
Done. No milk on the table.
Nice job, chef. Breakfast is ready. Boiled eggs, toasted bread, and milk.
Chelsea, lunchtime. I'm starving.
Okay, Chef Charlie, let's make fried chicken and vegetable soup.
Wow, that sounds serious.
Don't worry, I'll guide you. First, chop the onions.
Chop the onions. Oh, no, my eyes are crying.
That's normal. Keep going slowly.
Done. What now?
Fry the chicken in a pan with oil.
It's sizzling.
That's the sound of frying. Add some salt.
How much?
Just a little. Sprinkle it.
Okay. Wow, it smells amazing.
Now stir the soup.
Stir the soup slowly.
Perfect. You're really cooking now. Hey, Charlie, what are you doing?
I'm trying to bake a cake, but I have no idea what to do first.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Let's make it together.
Great. What's the first step?
Mix the batter.
Mix the what?
The batter. Flour, eggs, and sugar. Mix them all together.
Oh, okay. Mix the batter.
Careful, not too fast.
Oops, some batter just jumped out of the bowl.
That's okay. Happens to everyone.
What's next?
Preheat the oven. Turn it on before baking.
How hot?
180 degrees.
Done. It's warming up.
Perfect. Now, bake the cake.
Bake the cake. For how long?
About 30 minutes. And then we let it cool.
Let it cool. Got it. That's the hardest part. I want to eat it now.
Patience, chef. Ready for dinner, Charlie?
After all this, I think I'm a master chef now.
Smiling. Let's see. We'll grill fish and make a simple sauce.
Okay, I'll wash the fish first.
Yes, rinse it under cold water.
Done. It feels slippery.
That's normal. Now chop the garlic.
Chop the garlic. Done.
Great. Now grill the fish.
It's sizzling again. I love that sound.
Me too. Stir the sauce and taste it.
Needs salt.
Add some salt.
Perfect now.
Serve the rice and set the table.
Set the table, serve the rice. Got it.
Pass me the salt, please.
Here you go. Wait, this is sugar.
Not again.
Okay, everything's ready. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Chef Charlie.
Now comes the cleaning up.
That's part of cooking too. First, wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Okay. Washing.
Don't break anything.
I won't. Look, they're shining.
Nice. Now wipe the counter.
Wipe the counter. Done. It looks clean.
Perfect. Don't forget to turn off the stove.
Oh, it's still on. Good catch.
Safety first. Let's see if you remember everything.
Okay, test me.
Morning. Boil the eggs, toast the bread, pour the milk.
Easy.
Lunch. Chop the onions, fry the chicken, add some salt, stir the soup.
Got it.
Afternoon. Mix the batter, preheat the oven, bake the cake, let it cool.
My favorite part.
Dinner. Wash the fish, grill the fish, taste the sauce, Set the table.
Chef Charlie is ready for the world.
Don't forget cleaning up. Wash the dishes, wipe the counter, and turn off the stove.
Okay, I'll do it.
You did great today.
Thanks, Teacher Chelsea. And tomorrow, I'm making breakfast again.
Fine, but this time I'll just watch and eat.